Picture this, a humanoid robot folding laundry with the dexterity of a human. That's exactly what the latest Figure 02 AI demo showcases. But can it truly outdo us mere mortals in the mundane task of folding towels? Let's dive into the intriguing world of domestic robotics and find out. Meet Jesse Orrell, a senior video producer at CNET, whose expertise spans future technologies, sustainability, and the social implications of tech. A proud recipient of multiple Telly Awards, Jesse's passion for diving deep into tech trends and his love for music, films, and nature make him the perfect host for CNET's What the Future series and Experts React. Upon witnessing the latest Figure 02 demo, Jesse couldn't resist the urge to pit his laundry folding prowess against the robotic marvel. The video sparked a wave of curiosity among viewers, who wondered whether robots could soon take over their laundry duties. The reality is that, while we're inching closer to the dream of automated household chores, we're not quite there yet. Jesse decided to put his skills to the test, attempting to fold towels faster than Figure 2's impressive 22-second per towel rate. But wait, there's more. The Figure 2 robot doesn't just stop at folding towels. In a video shared by Figure CEO Brett Adcock, the humanoid robot demonstrates its ability to squat and add clothes to a washing machine. This opens up endless possibilities for domestic robots taking on more household tasks. Other companies are also delving into the potential of AI robots for domestic use. Neo, a humanoid robot created by 1X, has been seen carrying laundry baskets and loading washing machines, further blurring the lines between human and machine capabilities. Curious to see how Jesse fared against the Figure 2 robot? Watch the accompanying video to witness the showdown. And this is the part most people miss: the implications of robots performing everyday chores. Will they make our lives easier, or will they take away jobs and skills we've honed over generations? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more updates on the fascinating intersection of robotics, AI, and household joys. Until then, keep those towels neatly folded.